Hello guys, so we have got this very nice Lenovo laptop here, which is job not job number, but actually Lenovo G70-80. So that's what the model number is, and it was sent to us by another shop. As you can see, the board is here. And if we try to turn it on, okay, what's happening? Oh yeah, here. Okay, so that's the power button here. So if I'm pressing the power button, see, it's not taking any amps, so it's completely dead. Okay, let's check. Why it's 14 here, whereas it should read 20. Yeah, that's fine. We got 20 here. Okay. So the next thing is, let's check the board, see if we can find anything. So we know we have got 20 going through. But after that, it's not turning on. Okay, some rust here. Nothing unusual, just okay, this is broken. Okay. Just some wear and tear because of the age, I would say. Okay, we have to do some measurements because we know, if you have seen my some of last videos, if 19 volt is not going, which is mother of all the power rails to the system, then we will not have any rails. But as you can see, we have got 1.8. This one is 0. We have got 5 volt rail, okay, and nothing here. This is also 0 here. Okay, 1.8 and 5 is there. Do you see here? There is a bit of, so that means that is can't be power resistor or the MOSFET. So do you see this liquid damage here? You see? I'm expecting some short somewhere. Okay. Let me do some more measurements. So now I'm just checking on these power rails where it was showing me absolutely. So for example, we have got 1.8 here. So look at the power supply, see? So no current, that's not taking any current, so that's all good. Whereas this one, we did not have any. This was 5 volt line as far as I remember. See, it's not drawing it, so we have got short here. See, it's drawing 1 amp, see? Okay, most probably that's the 3.3 volt line which we are missing, and 3.3 volt line is I have to look for the power management IC. This one power management IC is this one here, which I show you under the microscope. Is it? No, it's all good. Yeah, it looks like this line is shorted. Yep. Can you see? Yeah, yeah. Yep. Let's look that closely here. Is that because of my pin which has scratched it, or else do I see a little bit of blackish thing here? Let's put some more light. Okay. Do you see this one here? Okay. Let's just remove it and see if the short is relieved. This is what is little bit looks like. I show you here, it's not focusing. See that blackish thing? Okay. See, can you see that blackish thing there? Now check. No short. Really? 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 Okay. Right. Let's remove this. And next thing is check again the power lines. Okay, so let's, instead of, where was it? I think this is the one. Let's check if it turns on or not. For me, if that line was shorted from the power supply, it should not have turned on, but I will press the power button now. Where is it? Do you see? Yes. So for me it's turning on now. Now let's put it in the case and see if it actually is turning on or it's just the wrong readings. So I think that's, is it 15-inch or 17-inch? Okay, so we have got power button here. Okay, this is where the LCD will go. Yep. And we have got power button, we have got LCD intact, and the only thing is, come on, here, where is the hard drive? Do I need hard drive? I don't think. See, straight away checking media and network 0, so it's all turning on now. It's just that we have to connect the hard drive, and it's All fixed, a quick and easy repair. Thank you very much for watching and see you in next video. Bye.